What is a content management system? CMS. CMS is software that helps users create, manage, and modify content on a website without the need for specialized technical knowledge. In simpler language, a content management system is a tool that helps you build a website without needing to write all the code from scratch, or even know how to code at all. Some popular CMS: WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, Magento, Squarespace, Wix. What is WordPress? WordPress is a free, open source website creation platform. On a more technical level, WordPress is a content management system, CMS, written in PHP that uses a MySQL database. In non-geek speak, WordPress is the easiest and most powerful blogging and website builder in existence today. WordPress is an excellent website platform for a variety of websites. From blogging to e-commerce to business and portfolio websites, WordPress is a versatile CMS. Designed with usability and flexibility in mind, WordPress is a great solution for both large and small websites. Types of WordPress websites: blog website, e-commerce website, business website, membership website, portfolio website, event website, forum website, e-learning website, wedding website.